Hey guys, Steve Good here with the Scroll Saw Workshop. Simply Wooden Creation has their annual Whirligig Wars contest going on this month, so I thought I'd design a pattern for you guys in case you want to enter it. This is kind of a mock-up prototype that I put together quickly tonight. Still needs a little bit of work, but for anybody that wants it, I'll be publishing the pattern at the Scroll Saw Workshop blog in the next day or two. I don't know if I'm going to paint it or what I'm going to do with it at this point, but I do need to make a couple little corrections to the pattern, and then I'll put it up on the blog. I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being here with me at the Scroll Saw Workshop. Catch you next time.